In this video, I'm going to show you how to see all notifications on Instagram. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process if you are on your iPhone, doesn't matter. First, enter on Instagram and log into your account. Then, you need to click right here on the last option to come to your profile. By here, you will see these three lines at the top right corner, so click, and you will see several options. The option that interests us is the first one, settings, so click, and it will come to this page right here. After doing that, you need to click notifications, the second option below, follow and invite friends, and by here you can see all notifications that you have on Instagram. If you turn on this option, you need to turn off, okay, to turn on the notifications, and by here you can turn off or turn on the notifications. So if you want to see all notifications, you need to turn on all notifications. In my case, on boost stories and comments, by here you can select the likes. It is off, so click from everyone. You will come to Instagram settings in your phone, click to turn on, and by here you can select all options, okay? So turn on all options, come again to Instagram app and mark right here to turn on all options too. Then you will see all notifications on Instagram, okay? If you want to see the notifications in your history, come right here and click on this heart that you will see all notifications by now on your Instagram. I hope I help you how to see all notifications on Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive footsteps.